So let's finally open it up and bring it over into the kitchen where we're gonna make our first juice. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today I just received in the mail my juicer, and no, I'm not sponsored. I wish that I was. I did reach out to a couple different companies, but of course they're being stingy and don't want to sponsor me to make this video. So I bit the bullet of having to buy a juicer. The link will be in my description box down below, but it's here. As soon as I came home from work today, it was literally meeting me in open arms from the Amazon person. So I'm gonna get ready to unbox it and show you guys how to use it. So yesterday I thought, what perfect way to bring in the juicer than to go ahead and have a bunch of cut up fruit or just fruit already put together. So I have some strawberries, grapes, and then I have apples. I'm also gonna add in some carrots because that is in here, so that is my vegetable. And then, like I said, it's just gonna be an apple, carrot, grape, strawberry juice. So anyways, I'm excited about that, to make at least like 2 or 3 drinks, which will last me this week. Today is my Monday, and I have just 2 more work days this week to go because we get Thursday and Friday off for teacher work day. And then of course we also have learning PLC division learning and stuff like that. So let's just do it. All right, so just jumping into opening up my juicer. I did get this juicer through Homgeek. It is a high-speed centrifuge juicer that is powerful. It is BPA free. It has dual speed to handle different food. It is also metal locking clips that fasten. It's designed for easy juicing, and it is definitely a great item to have. So in this box is the juicer. It comes with the cup that you're going to be getting the juice out of. It also comes with another cup on the other side that is going to keep all of your stem pieces from your fruit. Inside of the box, it comes with a user manual, which is going to tell you the pieces of the juicer, how to clean it, as well as how to sanitize it, how to operate it, and how to quickly start assembly if you ever need to put it back together. One of the easy things with this is that there is a little piece of paper that tells you can email these people for a warranty up to 1 year for your juicer. So you just want to make sure that you email these people within 10 days so that you get an additional free of charge warranty on your juicer. And you can also check out the other products that they have. And I also received a coupon for 20% off of my next purchase. Who knows what that next purchase might be. This is a brush where you're going to use this to clean your juicer. You're going to use this to clean the blade, but as well as the piece that pushes the fruit down. And so this is our cup that is clearly going to get all of our juices out, and it comes with a little nozzle piece that is going to go on the juicer where the juice comes out of, so that it will not spill everywhere. And in this video I definitely am going to show you all why to put that on your juicer. So let's go ahead and pull the big machine right out of the box. There's the juicer. This is already put together. This is the piece that pushes the fruit down, and this is also the piece that you're going to use the brush to clean. You can also put it on level 1. Level 1 is where you're going to put all of your softer fruits and vegetables, you know, such as like strawberries, your apples, and your grapes and things like that. If you have harder fruit and vegetables such as carrots or pomegranates and things like that, you're going to put that on level 2. So this is the blade right here. This is something that you do not want to touch. It is easy to take out. The black piece is where all of the fruit cores and outside pieces are going to go. And so in this box there is everything that you need in order to juice. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to show you all what it's like when you freeze your fruit the night before and want to just jump into juicing the next day when you get it, because that was simply one of the failed tricks that I wanted to show you all. Never use frozen fruit unless you let it thaw. So here on level 2 is where you're going to put the harder fruits and vegetables. Number 1, you're going to put that for the softer fruits and vegetables. So let me show you the first fail, which is clearly trying to juice this bag of frozen vegetables that I prepared the day before. I got these cups off of Amazon. They easily are washable, they are plastic, and they are a 4 ounce where you can easily take this. I normally put like my coffee creamer in these. I put like my orange juice when I'm trying to go to work, but I'm also going to use these for my juicing. So these came in an 8-pack, probably for about $8 or $9. I will have that linked in my description box down below as well. So let's go ahead and try to juice the carrots. Like I said before, I feel like this is where I need to let you all know my honest and true opinion, and that is that you need to juice with fresh fruit. And so you want to make sure that you line this up to go down, and you're just going to gently hold it, but you also have to turn it on to number 2. Alright, so once I turn this on, it's going to eventually smush down. The breakage is going to go down in there, and then the juice has been coming out here. So like I said, carrots has to go on a 2. Okay, so I have this bowl right here that I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and dump this. This is just simply the carrot juice, and I need to mix up the other stuff, and I don't want it to overfill before I can realize it. All right, so because I have grapes, strawberries, apples, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to turn it on to 1. Cut some apples. I'm gonna go ahead and give those a shot. I just emptied that out, and eventually I will need to empty. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it. Eventually I will have to empty out the fruit. Okay, so this is all the apple and carrot juice. I'm going to close it. This is how you close it. And you simply just take it from underneath. That's why I wouldn't fill it up too much. And I've just been adding it to this mix right here. So I'm going to add in some cucumbers and an orange because pineapples go on number 1. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what going on number 1 looks like. Number 1 is for things such as like pineapples. You can also do lemons on 1, or you can do 2, just depending. I am going to put these into these little jars, plastic bottles that I got off of Amazon, and these can be used in the refrigerator for up to a week. You also can go ahead and freeze them if you choose to. So this time I'm going to do the strawberries, I'm going to do some apples, and I'm going to do some oranges. I really like the fact that fresh fruit looks so much better coming out than the frozen fruit, and you can see all of the fruit here from the grinds and the peelings are going into the larger black cup. It easily is able to be washed. Just wash everything, let it dry, and you guys can put it back together. So there is a piece where you can pull the lever back in order to pull it apart. Go ahead and rinse all your stuff off. You can gently wash it with soap. Look at all of the stuff that is on the inside from the fruit. And yeah, I hope that this convinced you guys to buy a fruit juicer. If so, use the link in my description box down below, and thanks for watching this video.